going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Colby's Garage. Hope you guys all have an amazing day. Today we got a new video for my C6 ZR1, putting new side skirts on it. Shout out to Extreme Online Store. I reached out to them saying I wanted a new set of side skirts because I unfortunately broke mine and tried to repair it and it just never came out the way I wanted it to. And they actually sponsored the video. So if you guys have a second, go check out their store. They sell a lot of products. They sell stuff for, you know, Corvettes, Mustang. I think they do some Subaru stuff, Cadillac CTSVs, all the stuff like that. All stuff that you see on this channel, they basically sell stuff for it. So go check them out and go support them as they supported me. This is my old side skirt. Unfortunately, it did have a bit of a break. It is what it is, but you know, I was never really happy with it. And these things are super duper expensive, and I was always worried about wrecking them. And I was worried to buy like another set of side skirts because I was like, maybe it's not as good quality. And I kid you not, these things are the same or better. I've sent them to two of my friends and they literally thought I got a brand new pair of side skirts that are OEM. OEM ones I think are like $4,800 or something stupid, like the last pair that sold at a dealership. That's crazy. Like, that's a lot of money for a pair of side skirts that, let's be honest, you're going to wreck eventually. You're going to take a speed bump or do something stupid. These ones are absolutely exactly the same. You can't tell the difference. When I was trying to find like the other side skirt, I couldn't even tell which one it was. So that's not even a lie. These, they all got holes, fit perfectly. I already tried it. They look good. They fit good, and overall, I'm really, really happy. One other thing they sent me was this is the factory little stupid mud flap thing that comes on it, and it's garbage. Stupid. They sent me these beautiful freaking carbon fiber ones. Your car goes right here. This sticks out. I have a mock-up of an old pair I had because I actually bought a set of old, let's call it mud flaps from Extreme Online Store before, and then they sent me a new pair, so I'm really, really happy about that. So we're gonna throw these all in the car, and actually we're gonna ceramic the one splitter, not splitter, skirt. I like to ceramic my stuff before I throw it on, just to protect it against any scratches or anything like that. It's just a little trick I do. I find it goes a long way, and so I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we're gonna put it on the car. And again, shout out to Extreme Online Store. Thank you very, very much for sponsoring me. If you guys have a Corvette, C6, C7, or anything like that, definitely, even if you don't even have a Corvette, like I said, they got a lot of stuff. Go take a look. They got a lot of cool things that you don't even think were available in carbon. They got it in carbon. They got plastics, everything. Like, whatever you want, they probably got it. So just at least go take a look. I'll put their link in my description and go see what you guys get. Okay, I'm going to go ceramic this. I'll see you then. So for this step, we're going to use Hydro Slick by Chemical Guys. I really like this stuff. It's a little bit expensive, but it gives you guys a little bit more of a protection on your carbon ceramic, not carbon ceramic, carbon thing, whatever. You get what I'm trying to say. Basically, what you want to do is you just want to use one little dab of it on every little piece of it. You don't want to use too much. I originally put way too much on when I was younger, and it made it look really weird. It looked like you put like butter all over it. Don't do that. That's not the way to go. So basically what you need is you need your ceramic solution, whatever you want to use, and microfiber and another microfiber. You can notice both these are different colors because I like to do it because when you go to wipe off the excess of it, that's how you kind of know which one's the one that's used and one's that's meant for that. So basically you're going to want to shake it really, really, really good without the thing open, and you're going to want to take a little dab there, here, and there. So not very much whatsoever. You want to take your blue microfiber or whatever color you're using, the one that's going to be your wet towel, because the stuff gets really, I don't know, all over the place. You just want to gently go across it. Not, you know, a lot of elbow grease, just gently, just like very easy. Let the product do the work for you. That's basically what you're doing right now. It's working for you. Get all your edges and just go very soft. I find this really helps your carbon after a while, and it's nothing to do with sun or anything. I find it actually helps it not get scratched. PPF is great and everything, but it's expensive, and I tried doing it myself and I can't do it. Can't at all. I sucked. So we are just going to PPF this. We are just going to keep scrubbing very lightly, and that's it. We're gonna let this dry for 2 minutes and we'll see how it looks. So I just put these on. Looks really, really good. Turned out really nice. Sticks out perfectly. It sticks out the same as the OEMs, which is exactly what I wanted. I just kind of wanted a little bit of carbon on it, so that's really, really nice. Turned out really, really good. Now it's on to the side skirts. This is the OEM one. You kind of see the weave on it, and this is the new one from Extreme Online Store. It is literally identical. Like, there's no difference. It is twins. Like, to me, if this was two different sides, I would say, yeah, this is the matching pair. So I can't be happier with that. Like, just look at the weave on that. It's just perfect. It's no hydro dip, no nothing. So when you get your side skirts, you get this little baggie of goodies. Basically, it has everything you need to put your actual side skirts on your car. It comes with some double-sided tape, and a lot of the double-sided tape, so I'm definitely going to be keeping it later, using it for other projects. You get some alcohol wipes. These are good just to wipe down the side of your car in case it was dirty or anything, to put the side skirt against it. It'll help with the tape, obviously. And you got some really nice little Phillips. These are perfect. I feel really good about these. I tried them on the holes I have on the car right now. Now, if you don't have pre-existing holes, maybe you might want to drill those if you don't have a kit already, or it didn't come with like side skirts. You might want to do that first. But in my situation, these fit perfectly. I feel really good about them, and I don't think they're going anywhere because these are pretty freaking tough. So I'm gonna go put the side skirts on, and I'll see you guys then.
A few moments later.
So this is it right here. I just finished up the side skirt. It looks absolutely perfect. I got two flashlights on it right now because I really want to show off the weave. The weave looks so glossy, absolutely perfect. Just look at that. Like, it just doesn't get any better than that. Go all the way across here. We got the little mud flap thing, which absolutely looks perfect. It actually turned out to be one of my favorite things of this whole kit. And I don't know why, but it going down from here to here makes it just look so good. Yeah, I can't be more happier than this. Shout out to Extreme Online Store. Thank you very, very much for sponsoring me. If you guys haven't already, go check them out, extremeonlinestore.com. They actually sent me this little sticker thing. I like the sticker a lot, but that's completely separate. The side skirt looks perfect. Again, I can't be happier with it. Looks OEM plus, and that's exactly what I wanted. Just absolutely perfect all the way down throughout. Just again showing you guys. Can't get anything better than that. If you guys like this episode, definitely like and subscribe. I'm doing a build on the car right now. We have a 2650 up top there that we're putting in, doing the heads, doing a cam, whole bunch of fun stuff. So this thing's gonna be pretty crazy on the road. Again, if you like this, like, subscribe. If you guys haven't, again, go check out Extreme Online Store. Hopefully we can do more stuff in the future. This has been an episode of Colby's Garage. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay positive, stay happy. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Are you recording right now? We gotta figure this out.
Just leave.
You know this ain't no 10-second race. I got nothing but time.
Let's go. Wait. I gotta start the song over.
The fuck? Okay, go.